Keblai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat makongsan mentah kesni kilong. Chen Indrakhe tayau yada khulung habo sansnem kerta na kejimpang pneumonia. Persyak palat shpau hajar ngut kipat ba ya kebut thok ke BJP. Shanya ke KGDSTA bat GHDSTEA haki kular uba lakmen remboi. Bat hun bat yero uverma ya kejim penteri kam ya ki skim sarkar India hari bhar. Bat mentangin pa syaki khubor ba kampanya. Ke Office District Medical and Health Officer East Khasi Hills District kalapan benapat ba ban rakhi kata yaulek menjong ki khulung ki badang syukha batip kum ke National Newborn Week arjar arpusan kaban sedang neduk ke khatsan terik hadu arpoi terik Naiwieng arjar arpusan halor kapang pedeng man ki khulung badang kha ki don kam kejing serpot serpai man kapor klem sange newborn safety every touch every time every baby. Hakani kata yaure rakhi kemen ya kejing wan long brio ki khulung syagani ke perthai en pelat pat baru ya kata yau science campaign arjar arpusan banyada na kejing pang pneumonia lani kejing pang shit kaban sedang naduk ke khat arterik Naiwieng haduk ke arpu praterik kulalengkot arjar arpun rio. Habakrench kelap pathai Khubor ha ke khat arterik Naiwieng ha Shillong Press Club. Ke Dr. E.L. Karmuti, District Maternal and Child Health Officer, kalaythu babon ki khulung ki bapo sansnem karta ki khlat no na kajingpang pneumonia. Kalabatay ru, kumno ban sumar bat ban yadai ki khulung ban lait na kani kajingpang na du padang kaya ki. Ke Dr. Karmuti kalaythu ru tang hapading uyayong hadu unailor arjar arpusan hapo East Khasi Hills hadu san pulai ngut ki khulung kila khlat no na kajingpang pneumonia.
Khamta mangi hanni hari khasi juni dang boni ki badang kha hayem bon se marsen kha marsen psu ni jo ongi barbor ba snobha wat no pensu mi khulung shpenya nama idang mi na gajing saat impat so thu kamariang kalong no ladangi penpungap man kapor kini kawan rai ki jingpang tik tik khulung ki yo taka hypothermia ni ki ka ngam ki kriat nang ta ki yo kani genominia ki long blue lot ka ki sentor nang ta ka met ka phat ki kimyo ek ta jing saat ni bar mi ong nya iklung ba akha nya pun khut bhai i nang ta sopen spada pen saat ai i kata kani ko ki jing kai bat ka we ka bakusan ek kani ban masan khala da ki ba kha hayi mi jong bu iklung hapo ka sadem jo kami kini kaman ai kajing saat kabar ningkong iklung wat bread ya ka bunjong kami kata kolesterol ong kami kajing jakya ai katu kadika kata ka vaksin kami ningkong panyada kaban ai kata ka bormet ka baklani iklung kata de ka wais pang kaniga pneumonia te ka wai ru habang ikren sipang kadika pneumonia ru kadika jing stong ka ba bat ekitor bat kekela ka pensir bat lang hakitor bat barbor ka kata ya baro arpili kitor kadai ka bama bah ndai larangi sumar ka por ka biang ka laban ya dai i khulung habadan kum kini khulung ila bakini kita ki dan kum kini science dan kita ki symptoms mo ngidi ban i barbor ki doktor wanra ma shaki facility jung dan laban pen i haki sister ko ki sub centers i khulung ila bandan education iklung imtre ban bon imtre ban bam ijer ho bat mi ka kerkha ka badan lang bat kasnam la ka barong stem kata de gawe bat kumju rungi request bhai ki be mo khamta mi iklung ki juyo kita mi ang ka boyong khli lapor ba ai bu iklung inum tre nama imla ban persat mesim na ukmun i persat na kasentor rela rangi penhnya na ka bu in kernga inum tre ki ha ka jingmot jung hilok mi ki ong ba imtre ka bu tingin ai ba no tino dak tu jing ai bam kan ai dak dut ne pen ai dak nu nu jing bam kalong ka ba mai khulung namar ngi ong lada I khulung imla ban pun hal tu ko kon mai wi set khumot le ko no phi hab ban khem no ka bu nam ta bu hi bot ba iba khon sabot ko saan na po pen ai di samat ti khulung ila kan persat simrum ndai lada ngi pen nyan be dak bu bot ba set khumot kamot khulung inum tre na in kernga in yam namar im nak persat mesin kata de ko we ngi ko ban ai bha ka jing kai ki long kwi bakin nim de ban sedang no daka ai bam mar sengkha Te sakawai ru ya ketika bagi ong bangin le kata sans campaign mo ketika social awareness and action to neutralize pneumonia successfully lepas sedang naduk khat tarik November hadu arba tarik February kani kalong bangin ai kata kecing pensyash kepat ba kumno bangin ya dapat kumno bangin le ban penihar ya kecing yap jong ki khulung na kadauka pneumonia Tekani kesas campaign nila iyo hangning nila eye training ya bar khaki healthcare workers kumno bakin yada kumno bakin yarab ki khulung la dagidan ni jingpam nado ki asha ki aganwadi nila eye training ki CGHS nila eye training ki nama kani kadan ke convergence bang amat ki line department nang ta ni eye ru ka community level awareness mod ban tips ki patpa pada hapor pengilong kini ki village health and nutrition day ni pentip eki lani hapor ki outreach sessions nang ta pada bat ni pentik kena bak kemudian kata cingdu yang jong ki dawai lani kumki pulse oximeters ka oxygen lani ki antibiotics hapor ki health facilities te kumjuru lada ni ai da don teng ki khulung nama kimla ban ring mesin ni ju ai ka oxygen ndi ba ong ba hagajing mot jungi ong dala oxygen beri ayam ring nama imla bamsat duna kal air kamet imla ban shna kata kal era ko kamen ni haban ai oxygen tang banya da ba ikhulung anda ila yo e ka oxygen gal air in la hamla bade la laban ringmin sin
Kinongelam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kilethu bapalat chipau hajar ngut ki pat ba kila kersha ni ke jing khun persha jong Rahul Gandhi ya ke jingle buitu bat buit thok ke BJP ban penduk kerteng bat pendrung kerteng thok haki electoral roll jong ki Jylla kari India Lajer kerteng ya ke ni ke jing khun persha ya ke jingle jong ke BJP da ke chur vote and gadi vote Ko All India Congress Committee AICC kelabatha e baro ki MPCC bani khun persha ya kini kejingle buitu jong ke BJP ban penja e ki kerteng ki badai hok bat kejing penrung de ki kerteng thok leithu ke MPCC Working President Deborah Simarak ha ka arpoi terik Naiwieng ke Deborah ke lapen pau kejing sngongu ya baro ki briu ki bela ai kejing kershan ya ke Kongres bani khun persha ya ke jingle donbor jong ke BJP ban penkelai ki kerteng jong ki nong thep vote kari India. Uba Manuel Badwar General Secretary ke MPCC Shillong kilat pathai Khubor ke le sting ban penpriang Khubor ya ke ni ke jingle jong ke BJP ke belakta ke senchar khadar paitba ha ke ni kari. Kinoyalam ke Kongres kila raikut banya khun persya ikani ke jing thombor ya ke hok tenrai jeng ki pai pa kari India kenang ban penne ya ke bor ke ikhtiar hakti jeng ki pai pa ha kenu ke seng san perthai ne ha kenu ke kenhon ne ha unu ubriu shimet
manipulation particularly after the Maharashtra election we have done our part here even in the state we are supporting all India campaign massive protests against both chori is over we have done it all over India we have done it even in Meghalaya Shillong in every district block we have done it after that we have done it first thing too we have done it candlelight on both chore, gadi chore, on the march, you all know that. And after that, we have come down to both chore, state level, everything. And then after that, now, we got another direction from all India Congress Committee. And we are doing all over India, we are doing very massively. That is nation-wide both chore signature campaign. We are doing it in the state level. We are doing it in headquarters Shillong, and we have percolated down to the district level. We are doing it at district level, and also we have gone down to the block level. And everybody they are supporting. They are signing this both chori gadi chor signature campaign till now I think how many 10,000 people they have already signed, they have supported. That's why today we would like to thank on behalf of the party those who really supported sign against this boat chore and gadi chore. That's why today we have called you just to apprise of this, and we have part to it. We have cooperated. We have done it up to 10,000 signature. We have achieved today. So
also important that we stay vigilant. We stay vigilant at each and every constituency. We look at things that are happening which is not right. We should understand that come what may, the BJP will try its level best to rear its ugly face even here in Meghalaya, and we believe we should put a stop to that and not allow such things to happen. So from the Congress point of view, this is what we urge the public at large. If you want to support, please support us with the signature campaign. We are still continuing with it. Each and every block, each and every district, our workers are there and they are going around from house to house and asking people to at least sign on the campaign itself so that we raise more awareness amongst the public at large. And that's all that we want to say at this moment. Meeting with the CEO for the SIR, we had suggested a few things. Till now, you've noticed that for registration of new voters and so on and so forth, the Darbar Shillong or the power of the Darbar is still not recognized, because under what is given to us, the rules and regulation, it is still saying that the Panchayati Raj, since we don't have a Panchayati Raj here, we had told him that we had to give more power to the Darbar. And this is not just being followed by the Congress, this is being followed by other political leaders also who were there in the meeting together with us, and we had given our suggestion, and we hope that the Election Commission of Meghalaya takes it forward, and he had pledged and promised us that he will definitely take it very seriously to give more power, so that at least we'll ensure that the infiltration and so on and so forth, and the voters who are not eligible to be voters should not just get through and be able to vote. Because as you have noticed in Sri Rahul Gandhi's campaign also, there are a lot of voters who jump from one place to the other. So they'll vote in Delhi today, and after 2 months they'll go to Bihar, vote in Bihar, and after 3 months they'll go to Karnataka, vote in Karnataka. So it gives them ample time to delete from one place to the other, which obviously with the kind of money power that the BJP has is definitely going to just...
Kaseng Kinohikai Khasi Janta Deficit School Teachers Association KGDSTA, Ringkat Kagaro Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association GHDSTEA, Kilakerpat no Menteri Kapuliputhi ba Lakamen Rumboy, Ban Penshaya Kajing Tmu Jong Kasorkar, Ban Pia e Kinohikai, Hakithup Bat Kinhon, Kibala Ban Kta e Kajing Teri Jingkta Jongki. Kani kajing temu jong ka sorkar kaba kala penbena hau risau arjar arpusan kala bo ikinohikai ha kajing lengo bat jing artatin ya kala wei jongki. Kila kerpat ru yo ba rembui ban ailem shekinohikai ya ka DNS allowance bat kiwei kajing mentoy kumbayo kinong trei sorkar ha ka Jylla namar kinong hikai ru kitrei borba kumbatrei kiwei pat kinong trei sorkar. Kila kenturu ya u ban penurlong kajing angnut jongki ban ple kilat kilenti ya ke Contributory Provident Fund CPF na ke benta kajing mentoy jong kinohikai enda kila syong thaj na lagi kam kijam. Hakini kajing ya kendo Menteri Kapuliputhi ula syashkor kajing ut jing nam jong kinohikai bat ula kular ban ra ya kini kajing angnut jongki syakil lempung kibayadei bat kini kajing dawa. Ula aimen simru ya kinongelam kini kekenhon dah kebakular ban siu shikinohikai ya kejing yo kebala sateng lakat tu kat ni benai minta hashwa ke Christmas.
Ngingiwan ya kenduk mantan ya Education Minister Isar Lakamen Remboy, but ngiwan ya kenduk halor ki isu kiba buon ki deficit teachers ki ya kenduk khamtam hakini ki arsnam bat khamtam mentau snam bat ki issues ki banya keren mentan bat I ki dei napedeng jong ki babun ki issue ngijit sauteli kita ki ba ngikwa ban pensngau hi ngikwa ban kerpad lengba jong I ya ka Department of Education ya ka government hi barok kawai ban le ai kena ban resolve ye ki ni ki issues kebenengkong kadai kene ka clarity hakabedai bat ka hakabedai ber ketu jingmi Khubor lengba Isar hero ba kandan no tang artali ki category jongki teachers tang artali ki category kabar kadai kejing pen slam bar kejing bom siu shu ye ki da ki balong ki ba ngidai hok banyo kum ki deficit teachers kabalai kadai ka jing pentrai kam no ye kene ka CPF scheme, centralized provident fund scheme bar ka basau ka kandram ka bami na kene ka maxims portal online submission of fund requirement kabala ban wat ban kata ya ka jing yo tulop jengi ki nong hikai deficit ru te ha ke be dei bat ka kani ka jing phia ye ki nong hikai hagi artali ki kanhon categorization of teachers isa ila ong ba consider klempem considering ya ki kanhon nong hikai ru kum ki SSA kum ta terter consider baik kene ka new pay structure consider baik kene ka new pay structure tangba kumbalong menta yangi ki deficit teachers kanam kata yangi ki deficit teachers ha kene ka discussion na ka menta kene ka categorization jong ki no hikai we are out of the picture ngi ki deficit teachers kam kata but kala ban don hadian kata kadai ka bapin don ni tai jingkho nyo hangiru ka e ka ban salong ka e ka ban saje henry kumbalong menta kam kata yangi kene ka categorization ha ka bi dei bat ka jingbam siu shu ka sarkar ya ka DA jengi kaban supentip yapi ba 90% kadai ka bangi yo hadu menta kata ka 90% kadai ka ban nadu mencem senam January 2024 but what ke area jong kene ka 90% jong gitu ki keniat banai ke basya khaman ngimpat yo hadu menta but ngila dei ban yo ke 46 nadu mencem senam hi 49 sedang mentau senam menta ki nong tere sarkar kembang isya yo lang rengkat bat ki kila yo 51% hendai ngimpat yo te kadai ke ba ngila pen sengau hi minister kadai ka jing leben ka jing
Menteri Kena Kesorkar India, Bapet Ikitanat Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, BL Varma, ulai ro ek jing penteri kam jong Kesorkar Meghalaya, yeki skim balabay de Kesorkar India, na kabenta karoi kapa jong Khuborjylla District. Ubala le jingo dalaki jong ki khamat yeki kampen roi ki bedon hakaleng kishnong kathem Khuborjylla. Ya Khuborjylla District, lekin tiu sya kekerdan district ba ang not ban kiu syaprang lani ke aspirational district. Bat bon ki skim jong Kesorkar India lathe ban kentiu ya kini ke district barok kawai. Ha ke jingle jingo jong uvarma ha kishnong bapher jong kini ke district ha kini ki arsngi ulapin ken mau ha ki jingkren ha ki pai ba ya ke jing ang not bat jing thrang hir jong menteri rang badu Narendra Modi bat kenting ya ke than lam mi ngi kari India barok kawai shiki kenjang bahajrong ha karoi kapa menteri rang badu ulawan jingo ikani ke than la bon sin ban tip bat ban yo ik jing penteri kam ye ki kampen roi ban kenti wi ki pai ba ha barok kiliang Uvar mau lairo ke Kesorkar Meghalaya ha ke jingelam menteri rangba Konrad Kisangma ubelala ban penteri kami ki skim Kesorkar India kembali temu yeki ula kular da ke boong Kesorkar India kan yai beteng ye ke jingkershan ban penkela ye ke Meghalaya sya ke kenjang jong ke Jylla balaroi lapa ha India ha ke jingelang bat ki bor senchar district ki belai ki report halor ke nutrition health education horticulture, agriculture, animal husbandry and veterinary, PMGSY, DRDA, but CSC, uba BL Varma, ulapan pau ke jinghun ya ke jing penteri jong Kesorkar Jylla, hakini ke district ya kini ki scheme bala Beijing lot da Kesorkar India.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नॉर्थ ईस्ट के सभी स्टेट में चाहे जो भी एक्सप्रेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं उनकी उन्हें चिंता उनके डेवलपमेंट की चिंता विशेष तौर से रहती है मैं आज मेरे पास मिनिस्ट्री है कंज्यूमर अफेयर फूड एंड पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लस सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट इससे पहले मिनिस्ट्री में मेरे पास नॉर्थ ईस्ट डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री थी तब लगातार मैं स्वयं सभी 8 स्टेट में आता था और मेरे द्वारा मंत्रियों के कार्यक्रम भी लगाए जाते थे। और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी स्वयं जिस समय नॉर्थ ईस्ट काउंसिलिंग की बैठक 50वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहे थे, उस समय माननीय मोदी जी ने कहा कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट काउंसिलिंग की इस बैठक में वर्षगांठ में ये मेरा 50वां विजिट है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी भी लगातार नॉर्थ ईस्ट के दौरे करते हैं। उसी क्रम में आज मैं इस मेघालय के भी वही डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आया हूँ और ये सौभाग्य की बात है, यहाँ का आकांक्षी जिला है, एस्पिरेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट है। और एस्पिरेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट को हम कैसे विकास की और रफ्तार तेज दे सकते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर कल से आकर के चाहे हमारी जो फ्री राशन की दुकानें होती हैं PDS बांटने की, उन पर मेरा जाना हुआ है। हमारे वन स्टॉप सेंटर पर भी जाना हुआ है। हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर जो होते हैं उन पर भी जाना हुआ है। इस तरह से लगातार मेरे विजिट हुआ है। तब अभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की समीक्षा बैठक हमारी DC साहब की उसमें नेतृत्व हमने की है और हमारे MLA साहब भी यहाँ पर हैं, बहुत ही लोकप्रिय MLA हैं और सभी ऑफिसर्स के साथ एक एक विषय पर हमने चर्चा की है और कैसे हम मेघालय और कैसे आगे बढ़े और भारत सरकार की योजनाओं का लाभ कैसे इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट के और मेघालय के लोगों को मिले, इसकी चिंता पूरी हमने की है। और मैं कह सकता हूँ कि मेरे DC साहब के नेतृत्व में इस जिले में बहुत अच्छा काम चल रहा है। जहाँ जहाँ बेहतर करने की स्थिति है वहाँ हमने सुझाव दिए हैं और अच्छे से हम कैसे कर पाएंगे। तब चाहे मेरे मंत्रालय के काम हो, सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट या फूड एंड कंज्यूमर अफेयर, पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, तब मैं कहूँगा कि यहाँ पर लगातार सभी अधिकारियों से, खासतौर से किसानों के संबंध में, किसान सम्मान निधि तो मिलती है, अभी हमारे कुछ किसान ऐसे रह गए हैं उनकी KYC पूरी न होने के कारण से, कहीं उनके उसमें आधार में और अकाउंट में कहीं मिसमैच होगा, इस कारण से उसके लिए भी हमने कहा है कैसे हम जल्दी से जल्दी इसको पूरा करें। और साथ ही साथ सभी क्षेत्रों में भारत सरकार के द्वारा जाने वाली हमारे आने वाली योजनाएं वो पूरी तरह से कैसे हम इनका लाभ यहाँ की जनता को पहुँचे। और मेघालय की सरकार, हमारे संगमा जी बहुत ही अच्छे लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री हैं और उनसे मेरा भी लगातार संपर्क रहता है, तो हम मिलकर के मेघालय को डेवलप मेघालय करना चाहते हैं। और यहाँ का मेघालय के वैसे ही हमारा टूरिस्ट का स्टेट है, लगातार मेरा भी
Hakasin kebening kong Korongjeng Welfare Foundation lembak kejingetrelang dor barshnong shintor bat ke online tent services center. Kin penlong ya ke shintor festival balai sengi kenti ha ka khatway terik hadu khatlai terik no pra arjar arpusan hasnong shintor riboy district kebejingai keba arpusan kilometer nanongpo. Ha ke jingkren shigila pthai Khubor ha ka khat ar terik Naiwieng ha Shillong Press Club. Uba juban lang barbecue ulay tho kajing penlong ya gani ke festival kalong shibenta ban kentiu bat ban priang ya ke dustur jong ka jat ban riu ban kring yi ki briu jong ka than lam mi ngi kari India North Eastern region of India bat ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai sha gani ke Jylla ban roi ka kamai kaji
kini management partners itu mah kini event management partners itu kita brief dengan Shintor Festival ti wisutran pa bakani kini ke first edition minta kani kini first edition ringkat pa kini ke Korongjeng Welfare Foundation ringkat pa kini ke partners ki jungi ki ban organize kini ke event kan dei haju upor ma patai ikong rozana kindan nang music culture ki food cuisine nang tade kindan ki showcasing of different tribes and culture nang kini ke North East ki jungi kindan ki musician, kindan ki group dancers, kindan ki storytelling ko mula patay mentan, but kiwi ki activities nama kande ka line ni bat sawir dai lalu katwi tare kat line kat saw kin ki bat ba kilaban mi kat saw tare ka event kan sang katwi tare tingin ang pediang ru chwa jo kata ki bi basa ki bawan mansa naman ka target chumi kan dai tan ki locals ban TV locals chumi andai ka target kami kalau dulu pandang krish show di Khuborjylla apa pasti cuma biar yang ini sebutnya nama bangi ini bakat pandangnya ke Khuborjylla lain ke department di Khuborjylla dan di ke hata field di Khuborjylla kami kira yang kami donasi hakim kini kita tahu di kata kali kau ke bawah kalau bang ni ayat dulu kami juga kini ki upgrowing musician juga state juga kami pilih right side juga ibu sosial di sini dong ida nak remnants but lagi la job ya kanika you aga first runners up haga nika Meghalaya icon but amri tamaki kita nak nika swing and sway kini ki upgrowing musician nak ki jaka jonga nika sor ga jungi nak ki we khap sor kunju jonga nika khasi jen tiaga jungi nama kin wan nak buat betang ti ngin dan ru ya ka showcasing haga bai dei bagai chat khasi ki ba pher nak ki benta ba pher jonga nika Jylla ga jungi nalo kita ngin kumapila ya semua mentan ya kaniga Shentor village kabadan 400 km na nongpo pinala na nongpo 400 km ngin sedang ki guide ki jongi ban guide ki tourist kuncu ki locals visitors ki jongi ki ban wansa na ki ban wan hakin ki event ki jongi ti kani kalau da pi sheki pat pa kam tam e sheki pa dong shekhnong ji ko bri hon trap jongi bat ki khasi jan tiagaru bat kam tam lu I would also like to appeal the northeasterners like in Pinong Shangshong the residents of our beloved northeast India to visit the Shentor festival which is going to happen from 11th of December till the 14th of December. Well, kumanshu menrap ya kata kana patut tang kata namar kitu kiba kanlong lagu cukup kuat dan kenti wi kajing mi nala dia lat na mangi tray yang dulu kam denya den ray da kam sim ba suret da kam sim jo jing tali ba kam tam e da kata ka vision ban rai ka development haki villages dan ki kendong ki shot chung ka Jylla ka ki ba ka sarkar kam kot keti kam kot kejan kam yo smo ya kita gijakan ka Shentor festival dengan ba Rongjeng welfare foundation dengan ba online service center ba ka Jylla foundation
ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA ribhoy kalasdang ye ka training program bahnyo sngi na ka benta ka kinhun baar ban penrung dukhot bapura ha ka kinhun Yuva Abda Mitra Scheme YAMS enda ke ladep ya baro ki jingsha ikai kani ka training program kalasdang ha ka khat artarik bat kan kut ha ka khat khandai tarik Naiwieng ye kini ki volunteers legit na ka kinhun ki Samla Puli College ki belong to khot ha ka National Service Scheme NSS kino hikai belapentebit habaro kiliang ai jingirap ye ki pai ba ha ka por baklang ki bor mariang kin sasam ye ki jingtip she ki Samla ha kini ka training program ye kini ka training program the play ka kongsan kong Birani Additional Deputy Commissioner ha kini ka lumpung play la donlang uba BK Swear Deputy Controller of Civil Defence Nongpo uba J Mautho DDMO kam Nodal Officer YAMS ki Samla Pule bat ki trainees ki bansdang ye ka training program jongki ha ka jingkren lingkot akani kasngi ka kongrani ka letho ye ka jingkordor jongki volunteer jong ka Yuva Abda Mitra ha ki por jong ka jingjinjar bat jinglanot habaklang ki bor mariang kalaong ye kini ki volunteer lehikai pentebet kumno ban yarap ban yada bat ban sumari ki briu ki balasha ling shop ha ki bor mariang ya kini ki volunteers lehikai ru kumno ban pelaj em ye ki briu ki bapang bamensau ha ki bor mariang kini ki volunteers ki long ki dak ki shin jong ka jingkermen ka jingsngan bat ka jingshlur ha ki emlang salang namar kim ting bat kim ret ban bo elade ha ka jingma ban pelaj em ye ki weipat kalaong ya ka Yuva Abda Mitra Scheme la sandur da ka National Disaster Management Authority NDMA kabalapan Khubor ye Samla kenthai bat shinrang ban mi shakmat ban yarap ye ki para briu ha kapor ka shitam ka shipa bat ka lanot na ki bor mariang kani kadi ka kinhun baar ba ka DDMA kan perlong ye ka training program hanong po
and all the volunteers or the students who have come forward to be trained in the second batch of this Apna Mitra volunteer training and all the teachers accompanying you, friends from the media, is indeed another auspicious day for us as a district where we are gathered here today to train another batch, the second batch of the Apna Mitra volunteer. So it gives me great pleasure indeed to be here with all of you this morning for the inauguration of this second batch training of this Apna Mitra volunteers under the Yuva Apna Mitra scheme in Ribhoi district. Let me begin by congratulating the National Disaster Management Authority and all those involved in bringing the important initiative in our district the Yuva Apna Mitra scheme represents a visionary effort by the government of India and NDMA to train and empower youth as community first responders during disasters and emergencies. So we all know that India is a country highly vulnerable to a range of disasters, floods, landslides, earthquakes, cyclones and even fire incidents. While the government agencies and the emergency services play a crucial role, it is often the local community, the first people to respond to such emergencies and who are playing the greatest role, the far greatest role, and who make the greatest difference in saving lives during such emergencies and also in reducing the damage. So this is where programs like the Yuva Apna Mitra, that means Friends During Disasters, become truly valuable. By equipping young volunteers with the right knowledge, practical skills and a spirit of service, we are building a stronger, more resilient society. Each of you, as trained volunteers, will become a symbol of hope, courage and responsibility in your community. So dear volunteers who are present here today, I urge you to take this training very seriously, learn every skill. I think you've heard Bosco highlighting a bit of what you can expect from the training a while back. And we look forward to your enthusiastic response, and also you have to learn every skill, participate wholeheartedly in every activity and share your knowledge with others. Remember, disaster management is not only about response, it is also about preparedness, awareness and prevention. A single act of preparedness can save countless lives. That is why we take this training very seriously as
Uba Miral Bonds Aim MLA Hagakat Arthrik Naiwieng Ulalong Ukong San Ban Play Patba Ekalampong 4th District Level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program Arajar Arpusan Balai Sngi Haparish Hall Nongpo. Yakani ka program lepelong bat penyat deki Office Deputy Commissioner bat District Sports ban Ailat iki Samla nekeling ke Themri Boy ban yikenduk lang bat ban say madan ye lagi sap kipong ha kijing kop babunjat ki bakentuk ya ka shat ka kemen karwai ka siaw kaput ka tem bat ha kijing kop ye lek kai babunjat. Kumjuru ban wanra e kemensim ngau shipara bat kemensim idri. Lingba kini kijing yakop kisamla kila ban penjanai ban poi syakathong ban yakun ha kijing yakop state, national but international ha kisnem ban wan. Dangshen la pelong ye kijing yakenduk lang kisamla ha ki block level bat la UE bagi long ki baseso shikat day e ban penroi bat kenti wi kisamla ha ki babon kiliang. Ha kini kelempung play la penchingan do Abilash Baranwal DC uba Orville Masar additional SP ke officer na ke education department bat ne ki wei pat kitana jong ke sarkar Jylla ki badon hathemri boy. Ha ke jingkren uba Miralbon ulapen pau ke jingkmen ban play ke ni kelempung ha ka ba ki samla kin say la ki sap ki phong ban kiu shekler jong ke jingjob bat kana. Ulay ro ikisamla ka Themri Boy bekila pau bah ki babun ki sports jong kini kejuk. Kisamla ka Themri Boy kim long shu shadin try Henry kilaya lam nakmat ha ki sports babun jat ulaong. Ula kentui ki ban say borba ban penjanay de habaro kiliang. Kum kajing penchlur uba Miralbon ula kular ban ay busket da kapisa ya baro ki kentay bat shinrang ki bapoy syakathong overall champions hagi jingile kai beper habakut kini kelempung. Ula kitbok ki kini kisamla ban poi syakathong bekensai na kini kelempung lekmen.
In the last few weeks or this morning or last month, many of you will forget, we cannot, in costume. Most of the time we don't remember. And most of the time we felt that whatever we dreamt, it will be the opposite. It will happen. Kadang kita ada NEHU. Apa positif? Kalau dah hukum, kita ada NEHU kita. It depends on each and every one of us whether you believe it or not that it is like that. But to me personally, It is not bad to be green. It is not bad to have a good green. It even costume, but it costume belongs to China. It belongs to Hong Kong and to the of snow. Then in my experience, whatever I dreamt, whatever I imagined, it comes true. The question is that how many of you this morning, when you come for the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, when you will go back from here, you will take back something, good memories, good thought, good example, good lesson that you have dreamt yang waktu costume kan saja di The famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963, when he talked about a dream, it became a reality. When he says, I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where I will not be judged by the color of the skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. he has a dream that all his fellow citizens in America, especially people who have a dark skin, have been deprived with various facilities and privileges. But due to the effort by this person led from the front, that the dream has been fulfilled. The costume will keep along. Ang ini mentang hidup yang begitu ni ilong apa ilong itu apa ini Amerika. There is time that we thought that I came from a far-flung villages. I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to speak English. Who can imagine that Balari, Rani, they don't talk much. You can perform really well. No, Nga ramot na kung ani sa din yung nilang prolongasyon. Hindi rin pa.
Bat dakini ki Khubor ngilapoi shikabakut tat haduk bangidai shambiang kublai shibon.